teams don't know how their projects are doing. Decisions get made on gut feel, incomplete dashboards, or delayed reports. The system replaces that with automated AI-assisted project health insights. Stay tuned as I'm going to showcase to you how this system helps the operations team in an organization in managing parallel projects and giving recommendations with LLMs. So, you may be wondering, what problem does this solve? In the case that you are having multiple projects that are running parallel, projects that have tasks and they have completion, due dates, and blockers, this workflow will work in the background and assist in giving AI recommendations, in giving score of the project based on the completion, based on the blockers, based on the due date, based on the overdue task, and it will give a status color. If it's green, is very good. Yellow, not so good. Red, red flag. So it's going to give you the status color, the score of that task or being a project, depending. AI, is it AI valid? The AI key issues and AI recommendation. It's going to give you the last checked, and here also I have the last few assigned PMs. So these fields that you see that have blanks, the workflow is going to update with the LLM, of course, but it's going to extract the data, normalize it, and give these fields the respective data it needs so that the ops can use it for data and tracking where the projects are and what needs to be done. So I'm in my ClickUp demo environment. Inside of this environment, I have a workspace named Projects Health Monitoring. Inside of that workspace, I have the folder Client Projects. Inside of that folder, I have two lists, Projects Tracker and Manual Review. So the Projects Tracker is where the magic happens. So inside of the Projects Tracker, I have 3 tasks for this demo. The first task is onboarding automation with 92%. The second task is marketing funnel with 63%. And the third task is API integration with 41%. And the due dates for those tasks, the first one is Monday, the second one is today, and the last one is yesterday. And the overdue task count, the first one is 0, the second is 2, and the third is 4. And for the blockers, the first task doesn't have blockers, the second has awaiting copy approval, and the third has 2 blockers, backend conflict and unclear requirements. And this is all used for the scoring, and assigned PM is a few that I have here. So if I scroll more to the right, this is where the workflow is going to do its magic, and it's going to give the score, the status color, AI valid, last checked, and these are few that the AI is going to automatically update, AI recommendation, AI key issues. So this is the workspace environment. So inside of n8n, I have a 27 node connected workflow that is running. So this is a high level. The system pulls tasks from ClickUp, normalizes and scores them, enriches each project with LLM summary, writes those insights back to ClickUp, then sends consolidated status alerts or creates a manual review task if AI flags something. So this is the workflow I'm going to execute, and what to expect after I execute is those fields are going to the last 6 fields are going to be updated with the workflow, because that's what the duty of the workflow is going to do. So I'm going to execute manually. So here's it go, executing. So as you can see, the workflow is starting. So it's now AI HTTP calling. So it's calling here. So it's moving. So it's now updating in ClickUp. So it's moving here. As you can see, it's moving. It's now here. It's moving. It's doing its magic. So yeah. So once it runs, we're going to check ClickUp, and we're going to see those fields populated, and we're going to check our email here. So we have an email that we're going to receive, the status alert email about the status of the task that we have. So pretty much how this workflow is going to run on schedule on a daily basis in the morning. So as I go here, as you can see, the fields have populated. Let me remove this in this blocking. The fields have populated. So as you can see, we have the score 90, 60, and 25 respectively. The status color, green, yellow, and red. AI valid yes, last check today, and the different AI responses. So for the first one, validate the scope and timeline for the remaining 8% to ensure that. The second, immediate follow-up on copy approval. So it's using the actual blockers that we have. Convenient agent technical meeting with backend integration. And it does have key issues that are relevant if you pause the video and read, so that I don't make it long. And also here, if I open here, if I refresh, yes, as you can see, I have an email ops team, and this is the flagged one for the flagging, and the status on daily delivery health check status alert. The system detected 2 projects with issues, API integration, the score, and what's happening here and what's happening with the project. So this is the workflow end to end. I hope you like it. I'm going to provide the documentation so that you can feel free and see everything.